Good morning dear students, I am Himanshu Srimali. Today we will learn 9th standard social science chapter number 13 India, location, area and physiography. So the first question comes to in our mind that where is India or where India is located. So friends, let us know the location of India. So geographically, India is located in the northern hemisphere of the earth and continent-wise it is to the south of Asia, and its latitudinal and longitudinal extent. So India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer, which is at the 23.5 degree north latitude, it passes through center of India and it divides India into two parts, North India and South India, and in the middle of the Tropic of Cancer, the states which are coming, they are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Tripura and Mizoram. Now let us see the spread of India, how it is spreading in the north side and in the south side. So if you see that the north part of India is spread more in the east-west, while the southern part of India, it tapers, it is in the triangular shape and it tapers as you go to the south. Now the length and the width of India. So from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the length of India is 3214 km and the width from east to west, means from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, is 2933 km. Now let us discuss about the standard meridian of India. So the standard time of India is decided on the basis of prime meridian, that is 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. You can see here, and it passes through 5 states of India. They are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. And the local time of this maritime is decided as standard time of India. Now because of two longitudinal differences, the two extreme places of east and west, the extreme place of east, that is Arunachal Pradesh, and the extreme west place is Gujarat. So because of their longitudinal difference, there is a difference of 2 hours. So here the example is taken of time of sunrise. The sunrise time in Arunachal Pradesh is 4:20 am, while the time of sunrise in Gujarat is 5:53 am. So we can see that because of their longitudinal difference, there is difference of 2 hours in the local time of two extreme places. Now let us see about the area of India. So the total area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer, and area wise the rank of India is 7th, means India is the 7th largest country in the world. Now let us come to know that before India, which are the 6 larger countries. So the first largest country is Russia, then second largest country is Canada, then third largest country is USA, then fourth largest country is China, then fifth largest country is Brazil, and sixth largest country is Australia, and seventh largest country is our India. Now we will see the boundaries of India. So the northern boundary of India is the boundaries of India. So the north boundary, if you see, So in the north boundary there are lofty mountain ranges are there. Lofty means high mountain ranges. Himalayan mountain range is situated to the north part of country. Then in the eastern boundary we can see Bay of Bengal is situated. Then to the east boundary we can see Arabian Sea is there, and in the southern boundary we can see Indian Ocean is situated. Now we will discuss our neighboring countries. So first we will see to the northwest direction. In the northwest direction of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan are our neighboring countries. Then in the northeast direction, China, Nepal and Bhutan, they are our neighboring countries. And in the east direction, Bangladesh and Myanmar, they are our neighboring countries. And in the southern part, Sri Lanka and Maldives, they are our maritime neighbors country. Now let us come to know about how many states and union territories are there in India. So there are 29 states and 7 union territories in India, but now the number is changed. At present, the number of states is 28 and the number of union territories is 8. What is the reason? Because Jammu Kashmir, which was the state, it was turned now into 2 new union territories. They are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So that's why now the number of states in India is 28 and the number of union territories is 8. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this class. Today we have learned about the area, location and boundary of India. Thank you for watching.